Hello, my alien student. This is part 2 of the story where we're learning to size the pipe using IPC standard. This is the International Plumbing Code. Okay. Please don't send me email or message. John, can you please share me a copy of IPC? Please don't do this. Okay. Anyway, let's move forward. Yeah. So this is the story. You will be able to find it online. Okay. So what we'll do is now we will route the pipe. Okay. Let's say this is our shaft from where the water supply comes. I just place all the fixtures. Okay, we're just doing half of it, or let's say this much we will do. Yes, we will do that. Okay, what's the plan is, let me make it black and white. Yeah, this is the plan. Okay, what's the plan is, I show you what's the plan. It's easy. Or where's my pen? 1 minute. Yes, back to the story. Okay, what's the plan is, I will make my pen here. I think, is this color better? 1 minute. Yeah, this is good. We don't want so thick. We need a pen. Yeah. Okay. I just give you the story. Okay. Not so thick. Okay. This is my ground floor, the current floor I am. Okay. This is the floor plan. Let's say this is level 0 or level 1, ground floor. Okay. This is the ground floor. Okay. It being a elevation view, a section view. Same thing. This is the first floor. Okay. Let us consider that okay, this this is the ceiling of the first floor, ground floor. So let's say ceiling for the ground floor ceiling. Okay, ground floor ceiling. I just wanted to bring this in the picture. So what we will be doing is from the main pipe. Let's say here we have the water tank. Okay, let's say water tank is here. Okay, from here we have cold water comes from here. The main supply comes to this. From here, we go above the ceiling. I'm just showing section view from here. If you look at it, we look at this. Okay, we have the water tank here, the tank. From that tank, water is going above the ceiling, which is here. Okay, and then we will go like this. The main pipe. Okay, goes all around the length, go straight like this. Okay, and then we will make branches. One branch here for these pipes. Another branch here for these two urinal. One pipe here and go in the wall. Okay, same story. One branch here and here. See, there is no real there is no real standard for routing. This depends on you, and then we put for them. Okay, so I'll just show you this example. So we'll do it this way, and then we will calculate the size of the pipe. Okay, for each branch we'll say. Okay, so this is the plan for the cold water, blue and cold water. And similarly, we will do it for the hot water. We don't need hot water for this guys. We don't need hot water for the. We only need hot water for this. Okay. So this is the story for. We have read. I think this is the better. But we just use hot water for them. Okay. So this is the plan. And then for here, if you look at the section view from here, it will be like this. Pipe is coming down, and then the cold water. Okay. Pipe is coming down, and each plumbing fixture it will be having a branch. Similarly here it will come down and then connect to each urinal, whatever. Okay, I will draw on this side, but you get the picture. This is the story, a plan. So let's start. Just rub everything. Okay, just keep this guy aside. Yeah. So let's start. Go to system. PVC standard. What is it? Water supply. Cold water, domestic cold water supply. Material we need it to be copper. Okay, copper. Australia we use copper. Okay. Let's give an example. We have water tank here. We can just make it easy for everyone. Make it 0. Where are we? We don't know where we are. We are in Revit. We know that we are in Revit. Which floor? We are in the level 1. Beautiful. Okay. We should pipe, domestic code. We will see the size. We keep it 50 for time being. 50. We will size the pipe. Don't worry about the size. I'll keep it a larger one. 50, 65, more than enough. So we will start at 0. Just give an example, okay? Then I will, yeah, we have a wall, non-return wall. And then we will go to 2750. Say apply. Okay, so we have a pipe from there. Inhale elevation from here. We will see the section view of that. Okay. And then we can have it like this. Okay. So this is the story. So if we take the elevation view to look like, oh come on, view section box, go something like this. Okay, this way goes to this. Beautiful, excellent, legend. Okay, now what we will do is we will learn how to branch the pipe. Okay, before that, okay, this is a water closet. What is this? Urinal. What is this? Lavatory. Okay. Okay, if we come to the plumbing standard IPC, which page 163, or if you look at its page, it is 146. Okay. Yeah, if you come to this, according to this IPC standard, International Plumbing Code, where is the pen? Let's say use red color. We talk about water lavatory, water closet. We have two types of plumbing. We are talking about this now. Let's focus. Sorry. Focus about this. Come on. This one. Okay. This is the cold water. You don't have hot water, so nothing. And the total. So we use cold water. Okay, this is a public area. So we use public. We are using a water closet which is having flush tank. Okay. Or if it's a public water closet, we'll use this one, flush tank. We have 5 fixture units. Okay. So what I'll do is come back to Revit. This is a public 6.1. I have two options. Okay, I can either change this or duplicate it and change it, or I think they use 10 for public. On which standard they are using? They use the flushometer. So this is a flusher, not a flush tank, because it doesn't have a flush. You see, flushometer. Okay, sorry. So that is right. They have used the one which is this one. Oops, sorry. This one. Beautiful. Okay. 10, 10, 10. Okay. So I just want to tell you one thing. This is fixture units. Have a look. Fixture, water supply fixture unit. That's right. WSFU. Okay. Water supply fixture units. So we need to know the fixture units for each item which we are placing in Revit. We have done it. Water play, blah 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 blah. This is a urinal, which is a wall, flush wall, 1 inch, 25 millimeter. A wall hung. How much is fixture units? Cold water is 10. Okay, we come to IPC. We said urinal, right? Yes. 1 inch, 10 here, which is this one. I just rubbed this so you don't have headache. We're talking about urinal, public, flushometer, 1 inch, 10. Okay, which is correct. Okay, and then we have sink. Okay, the trick is as follows. I'll tell you what's the trick. Okay, that is done. This is a lavatory, a sink, wall mounted, private. I don't know why I used private. You have a public, I have a public. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change 2 of them is here and 3 of them is here. So I have to 5, make it as a public. Select one of them. There's a trick here. That's the one. Cold water 1.5. Sink. Lavatory. Public 1.5, which is this one. Okay. Now the trick is there. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it something like this. We just write on the Revit directly. Okay, so let's say we will have a pipe going this way and we will do the piping. Okay. Create similar, inherit elevation. This will be a branch going there. Okay, into the wall actually. Here also into the wall. We have chairs behind, no big issue. If you want, we can do it this way. We make it this way, don't worry. Okay. So, and this guy will be supplying the pipe. Let's say here. Okay. Then drop and then go down. Okay. This guy will be supplying here and here, here. Okay. Trick is not from there. Trick is going to start at one. Listen. Draw pipe. Okay, what is the elevation of this? Okay, listen. Let's draw a pipe. Make a section view, okay? Make for everything. About next story. Flip. Okay, so the water supply comes from here. So if I say, I think we have to do it up like this because it's I think we also require a section view from sideways. Yeah, we think I sure we need a create similar. Flip. Okay. Why I did this was so I can bring the pipe till this height. I not go down. Why do I need to go down? Okay. So what I could have done. What's the size of the pipe? 20. 20. 25. Let's see how come it. 1 minute. Beautiful. Yeah. What I've done is this is just a leveling thing. Okay? Don't worry. Is it clear or not clear? You need shaded. Okay. What I can do is I can delete this plumbing fixture and then just copy this one here because it's the same thing, isn't it? Okay. You're not happy with the alignment with this guy. Done. Okay. Okay. What I can do is actually I can make both of them 1100. This one and this one, make it 1100 middle elevation. Okay, so this is 1100, the 1100. Okay, so what I'll do is I will bring this pipe. This goes 2 outside, but yeah, draw a pipe 1100, apply, and then we can just come here and do this. Yes, he's not happy with it. We will do the sizing there. Don't worry. We don't need a tree. What I'll do is listen. Draw pipe. then come on, and just come this much. Listen, this guy, I can maybe pull him back. We don't need to go to Mount Everest. We can pull him back. This is fine. We trim, and then this guy is the second one. This one. Okay. Listen. So can I tell this pipe? This is 1.5. Just drop everything. Okay. I think it'll be clear when I do this one. Clearer. Okay. Okay, let's start. Move this section view. Don't know why I did it inverted, but it doesn't make a big difference. Go to view. This is the plumbing thing which I created. Draw a pipe. Let's draw this much. Okay. What I can do is I can delete sorry. Okay, this is done. Okay, so this is a pipe which is I thought I would be using this for, okay, no problem. I made it not connected to that anyhow. Probably I moved the line. Anyway, but I thought I just want to show you the sizing. Okay, this is for him. And let's say, I think I have moved the pipe. Yep. I'm just nudging. Okay, so what's the height of this? 682. I'll change that. 688.2. Copy this. Okay. Draw a pipe. And then just do this. Just do it like this. He might be a bit of a troublemaker now. He tried to connect it. He's luckily not connected. Okay. He's tempted, but he didn't. Okay, listen. Trim. And then we use this one. Okay. Okay, listen. So this is this thing. I'll show you now what's the story. Listen. We said this is 10 fixture units, right? 10 fixture units. With cold water, 10 fixture units. Okay. Let's consider, let's make it as green, yellow. This is 10 fixture units. Okay. Fixture units. 10 fixture units. This is 10. 10. Okay. Okay. As per the IPC, if we have 10, this is the trick, main thing. We need to just hide it. Yeah, here it is. If we go to page 164, okay, if it is 10, it is 14.6 gallon per meter, gallons per minute. We require that. Okay, so if we have 10, come on, John, you can't be like this. Okay, if you have 10, 14.6 gallons per minute. 14.6. Okay, this is the temptation which everybody has using maths when it has to not to be used. Listen, so we use we said how much? 14.6. I don't remember the number. Okay, I think it is 14.6 GFM. Okay. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a screenshot of it's a recording, so you can't take a screenshot. 14.6. Beautiful. Okay. So this is the last point. So here 10 plus 10 is how much? 20. The same pipe, this pipe is going to supply this and this. Okay, 1 minute. So he is supplying 20 GFM, 20 water fixture units. This pipe is going to come for supplying this 10 and this 10. So he is going to supply 20. So this guy has to be 20 water fixture units, isn't it? 20 water fixture units, which is equivalent to 20. They have, yes, I think I have done. Yeah, 20 fixture. Yes, this is 19.6 GFM. People have temptation that John 10 is 14, another 10 is 20, so it has to be 28. No, it has to be, you're just going to add your fixture units. So 20 is 19.6, not 28 point, sorry, 29.2, which is 2 of that. Okay, so you're going to just be on the fixture units. So you're going to say 20 water fixture units means 19.6 gallons per minute. So it's a 19.6 here. 20 means 19.6, you said. Okay. So this pipe is going to have 20 water fixture units, which is fine. 10 and 10. Okay, forget this one I will do. Okay, 19.6 water fixture units. Okay, good. This pipe is going to supply 10 plus 10, 20, 30 fixture units. Okay, water fixture units. So as per the table, 30. I can't rub this, that's the problem. Yeah, 30 fixture units, 23.3 GPM. 23.3 GPM. Okay. .3 GPM, gallons per minute. Okay, then the next one, which is the other one, this pipe will supply 30 plus 10, that is 40 fixture units. Total fixture units, WW, whatever. Okay. So for 40 fixture units, how much is it? 40, 26.3. 26.3. Okay. Hope you understood what I'm doing. Fixture, GFM, gallons per minute, GPM. Okay, GPM, gallons per minute. It's going to flow. Okay, so this is the requirement. This is what is there. Okay, 26 point. John, you have to improve your handwriting. Okay, I will improve. 26.3. This looks like 26.9. Just rub it. Okay, so in the next class, 26.3. Okay, using this number. Okay, so here 40 fixture units have come, isn't it? then we will have to come back again for this one. This pipe is supplying this one and then this one, isn't it? So this pipe goes here, same pipe, fine. So this pipe is supplying two urinals, this one and this one, isn't it? So what is the size of the urinal? Urinal public with 1 inch 10, 10, 10, 20. So 10 water fixture units, 10 water fixture units. So it has to be 20 water fixture units. 20 means 19.6 gallons per minute, isn't it? This pipe is supplying two fixture units, water fixture units. So that's the size of that. So here we have 20 fixture units. Here we have 40 fixture units. Okay. Similarly, we will have to do for them. Okay, okay. So in the next video, I will show. So you need to keep adding all of them, branches. Then we come to know. So here, as of now, we have extra. But just give me an example. As of now, this one has to be at least 60 water fixture units. Okay, what is the benefit of learning? No, there is not a benefit. What is the use of this fixture units and gallons per minute, GPM? Okay, I'll tell you in the next class. From this GPM, we have one rule. We have one rule. Remember this rule, the golden rule. Golden rule. Okay. If you have a pipe size which is less than 2 inch, less than or equal to 2 inch, okay, you should have 4 feet per second speed, which is equal to 1.2 meter per second maximum speed, has to be velocity. Okay, maximum, so it should be less than this. If you have greater than 2.5 inch, okay, your maximum velocity can be 2.4 meter per second, or in feet, 8 feet per second. Okay, your velocity should not be more than that, so should be less than this. Okay, this we will be using in doing calculation. Okay, now this GFM, you will see here, I use a pipe size calculator. You can see US GPM, sorry, GPM, yeah. We will not be using 10, there is 2 temperature, 50, 10, okay, this is a copper pipe, KLM, based on thickness, okay, and then it's gallon. Okay, this is actually this software. Okay, we're talking about this fluid velocity, feet per second. Okay, if we come to our IPC, this software help you to do this, which is actually similar, something similar to this. It is from this only. What is water flow rate, GPM, US gallons per meter, size of the pipe, okay, quarter inch, 3/8, half, whatever, and then its velocity. Okay, so I think this is the easier method of doing it. Just put in the value, just have a look at fluid velocity and head loss. Okay, head loss is always rule of thumb, is better to have it 10 feet per 100 feet, less than that, not more than that. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed this class. In the next class we will size the pipe. Okay, so consider this part 2. Part 3 we will finish the sizing of the pipe, or maybe in the next one after that we will use this McQuoy pipe sizer software, and next after that Part 4 we will do in using Revit, okay, using the specified size. Okay, anyway, hope everybody enjoyed the class. We will see each other in the next class. Bye.